Good morning, children. Today in this class, I am going to explain about the bit part in the workbook. Okay, in the workbook, page number 125, you can see the bit part for the lesson handloom, handicrafts and handlooms. Okay, in this, they have given 10 multiple choice questions that are the first one is the following is the raw materials of making a basket. Okay. What are the raw materials for making the baskets used by the people? Date palm leaves are the raw materials. So the option is A. The weavers of Dharmavaram produce unique sarees called ikat sarees. Okay. The Dharmavaram sarees are also called as ikat sarees. The weavers of Dharmavaram produce unique sarees called ikat sarees. So option right answer is ikat sarees, option B. Which of the following is not needed to make silk sarees? Okay, to make silk sarees, silk yarn is required, colors are required, cotton thread is requiring. Okay, the synthetic yarn is not required to make silk sarees. This is the first stage of weaving saree. The fourth bit is, what is the first stage of weaving sarees? The first stage of weaving sarees is preparing yarn. So the option A is correct answer. The fifth question. The following state has the second largest number of handlooms in India. Okay. Andhra Pradesh has the second largest number of handlooms in India. So the option is B. Okay. Now let us see the sixth bit. The government encouraged the weavers to set up dash. Okay, to set up cooperative society. So cooperative societies, the government had encouraging the weavers. So the option A is correct answer. Now seventh bit. Basket makers family migrated from Shankavaram to Ongole. The reason is there is no requirement or the demand for baskets had declined in the native place. So the option B is the correct answer. Venkateshu family used to weave for the cooperative societies. The reason is why the people are weaving for the cooperative societies, because cooperative societies are providing loans and they are providing different designs and they will provide so much work. So they are working for the cooperative societies. The answer is they provide financial assistance, they help in getting loan for construction of houses, they give training in new design. So all the above. So the answer is option D. Craft work that involves the use of wild palm leaves. Okay. In which craft work the people are using wild palm leaves? Basket weaving. So the option is A. People of Yerukala tribe speak language called Yerukala language. Okay. Now let us see the fill in the blanks. Filling the blanks. The first one is the raw materials used to make silk sarees. The raw materials used to make silk sarees are silk yarn, color, cotton, thread. The first bit answer is silk yarn and color, cotton, thread. Okay, these are the three requirements to make silk sarees. Okay, silk yarn, color and cotton thread. The second one is silk yarn is wound on bobbins. The people are tying the silk yarn on bobbins. Okay. The third one is Andugula village is in Dash district. Andugula village is located in Mahbubnagar district. Okay, now let us see the fourth bit. Dash is a curved frame made for weft ikat with pegs on which weft threads are grouped and tied for dyeing. Okay, chitkalu. Silkworms grow on, the fifth bit is silkworms grow on dash leaves. Silkworms are grown on mulberry leaves. mulberry leaves. The sixth one is Pochampalli is a small town. It is located in the district Nalgonda. Pochampalli is located in Nalgonda district. See the seventh bit. The first handloom saree patented in India is Pochampalli. Pochampalli saree is the first patented saree in India. Pochampalli saree. Now let us see the eighth bit. Dash has the second largest number of handlooms in country. Just now we have discussed Andhra Pradesh has the second largest number of handlooms in India. Andhra Pradesh. Dash sarees are containing simple geometrical shapes and designs. Okay. Kanchi sarees are having this type of designs. Kanchi silk sarees are having the geometrical designs. Okay. The 10th one is Dash is a craft work that involves the use of wild palm leaves. Okay. In which craft work the people are using wild palm leaves? Basket weaving. In the basket weaving they are using wild palm leaves. Okay. This is about the workbook part. Thank you, children.